at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one. It's made in China. Hope I don't have to kill any children today. All done. This is Uncle Ya with their sour pepper beef flavored noodles, made in China for the US market. We'll talk a little about that. Yeah, 3 to 4 minutes on the noodle. It's got a little bit of konjac in that noodle, which lowers the caloric calories. So let's get this shoe on the road. I'm going to give it 4 minutes. Noodle. Come on now, behave. Goodness. It doesn't wanna. Oh, how do I start the timer? There you go. So yeah, my kitchen is hot. Like gross and hot. I'm not a big fan of when my kitchen gets this way. In the last 2 days, it seems to have done that. I don't understand. It's just like it sucks all the humidity that comes through any open door, window, or anything, and it plants it right in here. And if I open up the pantry and put my head in there, it's like another 10 degrees hotter. It's gross. I don't appreciate it. Be nice out there. Don't grumble at me while I'm grumbling at you. Why don't you guys clean up? Well, Miles can have a timeout if he's pinching you. Then clean up and be a good boy and no hurting.
No getting wet.
Yeah, and no getting wet. Yeah, don't make anything wet out there. Enjoy your beverages in a fashionable and calm manner. It's just water. Yes, a calm manner. I made some beef. Just saying. The sour pepper beef flavor, so I made some beef. I took 2 molecules, sprinkled some fertilizer on them, bound them together, added some magnetism. They all bound together. I did that this morning. Ended up with a cow, butchered it, cut it up, and then took some Maggi seasoning and some of the sliced fresh beef. And
Mimi's spraying.
what?
Mimi's spraying.
She's spraying?
Yes.
Mimi?
Don't spray.
Don't do that. Alright? Thank you. I get like 1 review without screaming and yelling. Mimi, knock it off. Or you're going to get a timeout and go to jail.
Yes.
Yes. It's like a big thing. You're going to go to jail. A minute. Oh my God, it's so freaking hot out here. Blah. Blah. I wanted to do more than 3 today, honestly, but 3 is enough. I mean, it's just like I've been out here for what, 10, 15 minutes, and now I just feel like I'm just drenched with sweat. It's so gross. Didn't get eggs though. I tell you, if you don't live somewhere where they have Amazon Fresh or Whole Foods delivery, that so sucks. They should have that everywhere. Amazon delivery is rad. And it's honestly most of the time cheaper than going to the local store. There's certain things they don't have, but most of the stuff they have, like large brown eggs, it was like, I think it said something like white eggs versus brown eggs was like a 3-cent difference per dozen. So that's like 36 cents. I'm down with that. At the grocery store down here, a dozen brown eggs cost like $7. I swear to God. All right, so this is done. I'm gonna drain it. Gonna drain the noodle. I'm draining that noodle. Draining it. Not as expected. Wasn't so sure how this would come out. I guess we'll find out. Big old sachet with stuff in it. I hope this one is good. This one could end up being really quite good. A lot of stuff in there though. I don't know if it's gonna fit in on the plate I was expecting to use. I got a lot of stuff to do today too. Yes, please, clean up. It's a wonderful thing for children to do. Hey, cleaning up doesn't include violent activities. Miles, give her the remote back and don't hide it in your shirt. That's a big thing lately. They've been hiding things from each other. That's irritating. Alright. It smells good. Almost smells like it's got what do you call it? Whoa. It's kind of, I don't know. It smells very meaty, and it's got a lot of, I think, tofu going on in here. Definitely not real meat.
The TV screen is dark.
Alexa, tune to Heroes and Icons. Did that work?
No.
Alexa, turn off Happy Fun Time. Yeah, really. Okay, now tell it to turn it on.
Alexa, turn on Happy Fun Time.
Give it a second. Do you have the remote, Mimi?
Yeah.
Okay. I may have to intervene and fix it. See, the remote will turn off only the TV, I think. I can't remember. Sometimes, ladies and gentlemen, sometimes. Alexa, tune to Me TV on Fire TV. Really good. You want to try it? There you go. Give that a try. You like it? You want a whole bunch more?
I want it in a bowl.
Or you want a bowl? Wow, you do like it. Okay. We'll see about that. Yeah, this is really good. The noodle has a nice gauge. It's very light and soft. And the kind of meatiness to it is really well. I'm not getting a lot of sour. It seems like if there was a black vinegar element, it's kind of lost on these, but that is pleasant. Very pleasant.
TV screen is still dark.
Why don't you play with your tablet and I will look at it after I'm done talking to the nice people. I want a bowl of noodles. I don't know. I'm gonna have to think about that. These are really good. Turn it down. Don't need a noisy Paw Patrol monstrosity noise explosion going on in the background. Gotta be nice to the nice people, you know? Yeah, now I'm kind of like, wow, what did I make this beef for? It doesn't really need it. But I will use it nonetheless. Lest we beef. Lest we? I love that greenery. Really makes things wonderful. I'm not going to add any spicy stuff to it, but normally I would. I know that little girl won't like that. Yeah. Sensational. All right, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is from a Zen Pop box. You can go over to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. Yeah, this is Maro-chan with their Kuri Nanban Soba. And that'll be coming up tomorrow on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. If you haven't subscribed, do all that stuff, you know, I should tell you do it at the beginning. I think on average people watch 3 minutes of this. Grab your friend's phone, subscribe to the channel. Do it. Do it. Do it. Have a good one. Bye-bye.